Hey guys, it's me Jeannie, and today is day 19 of my upper and lower what my eyes look like. Somebody requested that I go up close in the light, and I'm going to do that so you can look carefully at my eyes and how they look. I still have some of that clear hanging stuff like called chemosis in my right eye, and I'm putting these antibiotic drops my surgeon gave me in my eye right on it 3 times a day. So it's kind of a pain. What I do is I take organic lemons like these. I'm going to show you my drink today, and I'm going to post it on my HoutMissSpaGirl.tumblr channel too. And that is my blog, and it's HAUTEMISS SpaGirl.tumblr, and Tumblr is spelled TUMBLR. And I talk about healthy foods that I eat. I also always brush with a little bit of turmeric because it whitens your teeth, and coconut oil. And I use natural toothpaste that's fluoride free. So I just want to share that with you too. But what I take with me to the nail shop today to drink are organic blueberries, and I'm going to put that with a little peppermint in my blender to blend for a smoothie today. And I'm also going to take the lemon and put the lemon peel and this whole lemon in there it's organic, and it came out of my freezer. I just freeze these organic lemons from Whole Foods. And then I put the blueberries in and a sprig of fresh peppermint from my garden back there. And I go ahead and I take that and I put it in a smoothie, and then I put 1 capsule of powdered green superfood. That's all natural, and it's all kinds of greens like green algae, green spirulina, wheatgrass. My old wheatgrass is over there in my yard, and I just tossed it over there because I'm gonna make some new wheatgrass. I also have tons of sunflowers growing around my yard, and that's where my fresh peppermint is. So I try to pick the healthiest sprig of peppermint. I also have sage growing over there with the red, and then I take this and I'm going to put it into my drink. Peppermint is amazing for you. So I'm going to go over there, and you can see it's super hot in Florida today. I have to water my garden and fill the bird feeders probably at least twice a day to keep everything beautiful because it's super baking hot. It can get up to 100 degrees in Florida. So I'm going to come on in. Got my sprig of peppermint, and we are going to put this in my smoothie. Okay, so this goes in there too. So I just want to show you a quick, easy drink you can bring. Now, I can't work out yet because this is like day 18 or 19. I'm losing track. I've got to look at my calendar. I had the surgery May 9th. And I had to order glasses at overnightglasses.com, and these are a little pair of Michael Kors. And I just scooped the first pair that I saw and gave them my prescription because I was in a hurry to get these. So I've got these, and I'm wearing them even though I don't like glasses. I'm trying to just go around the house casually without any kind of vision thing to improve my eyesight, just giving my eyes a break. It's been wonderful to give them a break for 19 days with no contacts, but I did break down and ordered some contacts at lens.com today, so my contacts will be coming. But you can't wear contacts, at least I don't think you should, until a month's gone by, so I'm not sticking any contacts in, and I'm trying not to wear makeup. I'm only wearing on the lower part of my face, my neck, and my décolleté, or whatever it's called, your neck area. I can never say that word. I'm wearing like avocado oil that's healthy, it's 100%, or jojoba oil, which locks in all the moisture so that my skin's hydrated. So I'm going to make this, and I just blend it in a blender. Just wanted to quick share it with you guys. Hope you're having a fabulous day, and I'm feeling better today. I'm still meh when it comes to how I feel about getting this done. Like I say, now that I know it's such a long process, I wouldn't do it again, but we got to give it 30 days to see how this goes, because you never know. Probably in 30 days I'll like it. See you guys later. Bye.